Marketing 5.0 represents a holistic approach, blending tech with human connection for personalized, empathetic brand experiences. This evolution emphasizes long-term value creation, focusing on sustainability, purpose-driven initiatives, and societal impacts. Engagement is key in Marketing 5.0, fostering genuine relationships through two-way communication and co-creation with customers. AI and data analytics play pivotal roles, enabling real-time insights for hyper-targeted strategies and dynamic customer interactions. Storytelling takes center stage, crafting narratives that resonate emotionally, building trust and loyalty with authenticity. In Marketing 5.0, customer experience reigns supreme, driving customer centricity by prioritizing individual needs and preferences. Collaboration across departments is vital, breaking silos to deliver seamless omni-channel experiences that prioritize customer journeys. Sustainability and social responsibility are integrated into the brand DNA, reflecting values that resonate with conscious consumers. Adaptability is key in Marketing 5.0, where agility and responsiveness to market changes drive innovation and competitive advantage. Interactive content such as AR, VR experiences and gamification are leveraged to enhance engagement and create memorable brand interactions. Emotional intelligence is harnessed to understand consumer motivations deeply, translating insights into meaningful experiences that drive connection. Personalization is taken to new heights, tailoring offerings based on individual preferences, behaviors, and past interactions to enhance relevance. Transparency and authenticity are non-negotiable, establishing trust through consistent communication and ethical practices at every touchpoint. Marketing 5.0 thrives on feedback loops, actively listening to customers to refine strategies continuously and adapt to changing market dynamics. Purpose-driven marketing initiatives resonate strongly with Millennial and Gen Z consumers who seek brands aligned with their values and beliefs. Brand storytelling goes beyond products or services, creating emotional connections that transcend transactions to build lasting brand affinity. Community building is fundamental in Marketing 5.0, fostering loyal tribes around shared values and interests for sustained engagement. Cross-channel consistency ensures a seamless brand experience across all touchpoints, reinforcing brand identity and customer trust. Agile methodologies are embraced in Marketing 5.0, enabling rapid iterations and quick responses to market trends for competitive advantage. Inclusivity is prioritized, ensuring diverse representation in marketing campaigns that resonate with a global audience authentically. Meaningful partnerships are forged to amplify brand reach and impact while tapping into complementary expertise for mutual growth. Empowerment marketing strategies empower customers by involving them in brand decision-making processes and co-creation initiatives. Optimization through data-driven insights shapes decision-making processes, allowing for continuous improvement in marketing strategies and outcomes. Human-centric design principles guide product development, ensuring solutions resonate with users on a deep emotional level for lasting engagement.